India has become the largest and latest country to introduce a nationwide lockdown in the fight against the coronavirus. Its population of 1.3 billion has been told to stay at home. Due to this pandemic, many offices, factories have been shut down for nearly 2 months now. In recent times, the factories and few companies have been exemptions to start their work back. It is so important that the employees who enter the workspace are monitored and safe. As you are aware, the regular attendance and access system like fingerprint and card access spread the COVID-19. So how do we handle this? So let's start with some basic quick facts that you already know.
So here are a few data that you have to keep in mind. So this is the WHO website, and in that website the most common symptom that is shown is fever. And let's come back to the Indian government website. So Indian government website also states that high fever is one of the major symptoms. So now let's get into the recent guidelines from the MHA. So here is the latest guidelines which is released on 1st May for the industries and everything. So let us just quickly see what they have given. So this is the document. So I'm just quickly going to the Annexure 1. So in the Annexure 1, they have given wearing face mask in public places, at the same time wearing face covers in the workplaces is mandatory, as well as they have given the provision of thermal scanning with touch-free mechanism. So these are some things which we have to follow. So that is why the devices like facial recognition terminal will help you a lot in following the government rules as well as keeping your workplace safety.
Regulations, according to government rules and regulations, the infrared thermometers are mandatory to check. But these infrared thermometers are not reliable. So let's see a small demo here. So I have taken a glass of hot water. So I'm just measuring the hot water. So now it says the temperature is high. Now again, I'm just increasing the small distance. So now it says completely green. You can see the distance is actually less than 10 centimeters, but still this shows. So the ideal distance is actually 5 centimeters. But whenever people are walking in a group, the security guard or any person who is checking, he does not keep that 5 centimeter throughout the measurement. So one particular person is actually going out inside, then there is a very high chance that the entire people are in risk. So again, I'm just showing you a live demo. So now it's turned orange and now it is green. You can see the distance is very less. So these infrared thermometers are not reliable. So you have to go with more precision device like facial recognition terminal.
This Swift Facial Recognition 1 terminal helps you to detect the face of the employee, whether he is wearing the mask or his temperature is normal. So this device works basically on offline and online as well. And the scanning time would be less than 1 second, approximately 0.5 seconds. And it can have the attendance management also, which I'll be showing at the later part of the video. The access control will be given to those people only who have the access. So you can connect this device to existing magnetic doors and the other gate entry systems. Now let's see the product features. So coming to the product features, like it can store 1000 plus data of the faces, and the recognitions, I mean the records can be stored up to 80,000 records. And this particular device is a IP66 waterproof, and the operating temperature is 30 to 60 degrees centigrade. And this also has noise reduction. That means the clarity of the image is already processed while scanning. And the lighting, intelligent lighting exposure is also inbuilt in the device already. So these particular devices can be operated in workplace, industries, hospitals and airports. So this is the quick product specifications. If you wanted to just check, you can just pause the screen. It can be also done a wall mounting, or you can add a stand to the device so that it is easily changeable.
Hi,
you can see the face recognition terminal which is installed here. So I am added as a user. You can just quickly see how it actually detects my face temperature. I will also parallelly show the temperature in high mode. You can also see the screen beside you which will update the status light.
Temperature, access granted.
So here you can see my photo
Access granted.
and the Balaji name and the temperature is granted. Okay, so now we'll just add up the hot water. So this is the hot water I'm just keeping in front of the sensor. So
Abnormal temperature
it says
access denied.
abnormal
Please check
temperature.
again.
So you can see immediately there is an exclamation on the desktop that there is abnormal temperature. So the difference between this and normal infrared thermometers is like the device knows what is the distance that the human is there. So its temperature sensor is adjusted according to the device distance and then the human distance. Then it actually gives up the temperature. So that's the main advantage. So let me just show you a demo once again. And if in case I am not with the mask, if in case I am not with the mask, it shows no mask. And this is my photo.
Please wear a face mask.
So now I'm just putting the face mask.
Normal temperature access granted.
So this device is very quick. It takes just only less than 0.5 second to record.